want to go to the barangay hall. I mean, yeah. When are they coming? When are they coming with the barangay IDs? I mean, we can't even go to the grocery store. Yesterday we were denied going into the grocery stores because we don't have an ID. We can't buy food. And, you know, having this ordinance is okay with me, but then they need to get us the IDs so we can actually continue to live and eat.
Pare, nagano ng ID. Hindi, nagano ng ID kasi wala na silang...
It's not yet true. When we finish, I'll give it to you.
Right, so meanwhile, and this is not your fault, but meanwhile, we can't go to the grocery store. Meanwhile, we can't eat. Meanwhile, it's stupid to have an ordinance before they can give you IDs. The IDs comes first and then you implement the ordinance. Right now, for 3 days, 2 days, we can't go to the grocery store.
Because you have no IDs.
Yeah, they won't let us in the store.
Won't let us shop.
I thought that this is your foreigner, you are accepted.
Are we exempted as foreigners?
No.
I don't think so.
No. Look, I've gone to SNR the last
Okay,
time.
sir, I'll tell you what. We'll try to finish this today.
Because people can't eat. I mean, some Filipino families also.
So am I, same as me.
Yeah.
But I don't have any money, you have money, but you don't have any IDs.
Well, I'll give you some rice if you give me the ID.
Okay, I'll try to finish this today.
Right.
Till maybe until 5 o'clock, okay?
All right.
And then I will give it to you, to your house.
Yeah, you know where I live?
Yeah,
Same.
Everlasting, yeah.
Sir, we apologize for that because the main barangay is doing their job. There are lots of, because here in our Puro, it's over than 1,000 people.
Right.
More than,
No,
less than 2,000 people.
and
So we apologize.
we understand, but it's the top level. The mayor implements an ordinance, tells the barangay captains to get out, but the ordinance should not have been in place until everybody has their ID.
That's right. But right now they're trying to finish this today.
Okay.
Okay, sir?
Okay.
We will give it to you as long as today. Okay?
Okay. It's not your fault. We're not blaming you at
can
all.
buy in the sari store.
Right, but earlier I didn't even have money. I snuck out this morning to get some money.
But you get some money, you have your honor, and you can get the money, right?
Yeah.
But you cannot buy in the SNR,
Yeah.
General,
Yeah,
even in Hugo.
right. No.
As long as
So
you don't have this
7-Eleven is the only place I can go, or the southern to do my things.
Right.
7-Eleven, you go there.
Yeah, I go
Okay,
there
sir?
now.
But
Okay.
we try to finish this
All right.
today.
We know it's not your fault. We know that. So,
Okay, sir.
all right.
Have a nice day. Have a nice day, sir.
All right, we'll be back.
You take care, huh?
We will. Thank you.
See how we have money, they don't. Right away, that's the first thing that comes up.
Right.
We
Yeah.
don't have nobody. You can go shopping, but you don't have an ID. But we don't have any money. We can't shop for food because we don't have any money. You know.
Yeah. But you heard what I said.
But,
I
yeah,
said I'll give you some rice. I give you some rice. I have no problem doing that. I buy 50 kilo of rice and distribute. You know.
Yeah.
People gotta have food.
I have a plan. How many people in the neighborhood? If they don't have, how much is a bag of rice?
A bag of rice depends on the weight, but I'd say we do 25 kilo bag is probably about 1,200, but it's cheaper. You go to the rice dealer up the street with a motorcycle and get a 50 kilo bag. 50 kilos is probably 2,000.
If we buy a few bags, what we could do is we could take the 50-kilo bag, put it in smaller bags, and give them to families that have kids without money, you know?
Yeah.
I don't know how many we can do, but...
Well, we can only do so many, but we can at least help some people, because this is getting to a point where...
This is ridiculous. And
Yeah.
it's their own freaking government that's you know?
Yeah, well, I'm recording you, so you better keep your mouth shut.
Sorry for the F-bomb.
I'm gonna beep it.
Yeah.
No,
What I want to say is beep, 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 beep. Government.
Yeah. Yeah. All right, so the guards let us out today.
And they're nice. It's not their fault.
Yeah, it's not their fault, you know.
They're suffering really bad, I can tell.
Yeah. They're suffering too.
Yep.
Yeah. I mean, do you have, I mean, I can flip in 1,000, you flip in 1,000 if you can, and then we'll go and get at least 50, 60 kilo of rice. It should feed, we can give it out in half-kilo packets.
I'm in for 1,000.
Okay. We'll just do that and help some people around the neighborhood. Yeah, so the deal here, guys, is the fact that they will not let us into any of the grocery stores.
Without what's called a barangay pass.
Yeah, you have to have what's called a barangay pass. And like he said down there, I don't know if you guys could hear it, didn't want to get the camera in his face. He said that they had to issue over 1,000 IDs, and they're working on it. They're going to try to get it done. I think they didn't realize that people can't go to the store.
Yeah, politicians are quick to talk, and they have no practical experience in data entering.
I understand, and most of them has a law background, and lawyers are not always the ones that are very practical. That's why they need.
You know, the best thing to do in places like this is that print out a standard form. You go house by house. You have them fill it up completely. Okay, you have the barangay stamp it, and that's it. You're done.
Yeah, well, they did that in some other barangays.
I know.
They handed it directly
At
to
the
them.
end of the day, you know, it's stupidity.
Yeah, I know.
You want to make it look pretty? Okay, fine. No big deal.
All right.
I gotta buy stuff here.
Yeah. Let's go in here and see. Only 5 customers at a time.
Only 5.
Only 5.
Okay.
What do we get? They don't have any alcohol, do they?
Yeah, they do. It's banned. It's over here.
No, I'm not talking about drinking alcohol. I'm talking about what do you call it? Hand sanitizers. But I guess.
I don't know. Maybe they do. If they have anything, it will be in this section right here.
Yeah.
Nope.
All right, so we're gonna get us a little drinking water. We're starting to having problem with drinking water a little bit.
You see if we can get some like bags like this.
Yeah. Well, we can, once we can get to the grocery stores, we can buy plastic bags and we just,
Yeah.
do they have
What?
hot spicy beef brisket? I know Janice likes these kind of things. She likes these.
Hot, spicy.
Hot and spicy beef brisket
brisket.
flavor. That's pretty good. Let's try it.
Because at the end of the day.
At the end of the day,
Monster. I haven't
Yeah,
seen him. You like Monster?
I'm not kind of a monster guy, but I do like energy drinks once in a while.
You can't do that.
So I'm going to put that in there. Alright guys, so this is one part, an episode out of our day today, and thank you for watching. Things are getting a little frustrating here at times, but we're doing good. Hit that subscribe button, share and like, and we'll see you in the next video. Wait, don't click that button unless of course you hit the subscribe button, and then you can move on. And while you're down there, hit the notification button as well. And if you leave a like or a comment, we will personally respond to you on all or any request you might have. And thank you for watching, and we'll see you again